Every day on the job site with electric spinning pliers. You can't even go more than 10 feet without seeing twisted wires. Tree planters, curbs, foundations. Even the tunnels under the Las Vegas Strip connecting Resort World with the new convention center. Concrete walls, before and after columns. As soon as you walk in the building, you can see more twisted wires. Even when they pour the slabs for the floors, they put these cans in for plumbing to penetrate from floor to floor. If the wall moves more than 2 inches, they have to core drill them out, which is more expensive. So they always put cans in. And when their cans are not being used, they make these drywall plugs and fill them full of concrete for fire rating. So this construction worker sits here and spins wires together with his hands, making hundreds of wires to fill all the holes. When all the slabs are poured, they start framing the walls, and the next thing that goes in the electrical conduit. The electricians come in and stock the area with MC flex conduit for each room and hang their supplies on the wall with twisted wires. After they run all their conduit through the walls, they connect the wires with wire nuts. Thousands and thousands of twisted wire nuts. Every time I see a box like this, I think of the individual that will even need to come in later and untwist the wires to add new appliances or take away old appliances. So we're always constantly twisting wires and applying wire nuts. This is a video of an electrician connecting 7 negative wires together for the main mother panel for this individual room. He twists his wrist 22 times for one single wire nut. When I interviewed these construction workers, I asked them if they hurt at the end of the day, and I never got no for an answer. This construction worker is stripping heavy gauge wires and connecting them for a fan coil in this hotel. There are 3,400 rooms. Every room has a fan coil and also 6 to 8 of them down the corridors. So there's about 5,500 of these boxes that these electricians need to work on. Now you need to think there's not 5,500 electricians working on this at the same time. There's only a crew of 10 going along with the phases of the building. Even when you get home, you will notice how hard it is to open the door to your car or your house. Jewelry that had to be twisted by traditional pliers, Christmas ornaments, even artwork, constantly twisting of their wrists to make these awesome designs. This is a picture of Home Depot, all traditional pliers. These are pictures of the SEMA show in Las Vegas. The automotive industry. This is a picture of a brake caliper with twisted wires so the bolts don't rattle free. Aviation mechanics even twist wires throughout the building so their bolts don't shake loose. The possibilities are endless with electric spinning pliers.